My name is David Bosley. I'm the president and founder of Cast Lighting. I'd like to spend the next few minutes going over with you the features and benefits of our Cast model number CCTL1C tree light. This product is considered by many contractors and designers as the best product in its category. The tree light's specific job as a lighting fixture is to mimic the effect of natural moonlight. And it's important that if you're going to install this product, that you cannot see the source of the light. That's why this product is packed with features and benefits to make sure that you see the effect and not the source of the light on any lighting project. Now I'd like to take a few minutes to go over the features and benefits of the Cast CCTL1C tree light. You'll notice that this fixture is manufactured of solid sand cast bronze, the body, the knuckle, and the tree mount here. The shroud is solid copper, 100%, 99.9% pure copper. One of the greatest features that this product has is the length of this shroud. You'll notice that if we point this straight at you, you can see the light source, but as you start to move, now you can't see the light source. When this is mounted 25 feet in the air, it's very important that you cannot see the source of the light. This long shroud gives you the ability to hide that light source. One of the other nice features and benefits, you'll notice there are 3 screws on the body of this fixture. This will allow the designer to turn this shroud in order to fine-tune the adjustment so that, again, you don't see the source of the light. As well, the knuckle here is a 0 to 180 degree adjustable, which allows you to completely dial in exactly the right adjustment to make sure you get the correct effect. That's really important because when you're 25 feet in the air, every slight degree makes a difference. This gives you complete 360 degree adjustment on the shroud, as well as 0 to 180 degree adjustment on the body. Some of the features that this product has that we're real proud of is its ability to withstand the environment. You'll notice this product has a double O-ring seal at the base. As well, this shroud body fits up inside of this casting. What that does is as water is working its way down, it hits this body and goes off the shroud. Nothing can collect here. Even if this is pointing straight up, any water that hits here can roll off and it will not enter the casing. I'd like to show you if I could. This product incorporates a stainless steel spring that holds the lamp up against the inside of the glass, a heat shield, as well as high temperature wire and wire management products. Now I'd like to show you how you install a lamp in the Cast CCTL1C tree light. Compared to some manufacturers' products, the socket is not affixed to the body of the fixture. The socket is free-floating within the lamp compartment. You'll notice this is a bi-pin socket, high temperature, contains stainless steel contact points as well as stainless steel springs that make for an excellent contact between the bi-pins of this lamp and the contacts on the socket. You simply take and you press this lamp and now you have a nice snug fit. Simply take the shroud, put it over the fixture, over the lamp, press together. You're going to hear air escaping, and then make sure you use each one of these screws here and just snug up the shroud to the body. Now I'd like to demonstrate the installation of the canopy mount to a tree. Cast Lighting specifically has manufactured for them this hanger bolt. This is manufactured using a wood screw, 1.5 inches, a 3/4 inch offset, and a 1024 machine screw. These come in packages complete for one installation. Contained inside each package are 3 1024 screws, and this is how you go about mounting this to a tree. You simply put on the 1024 screw, get a 5-inch deep socket, put it onto the hardware, and simply with a DeWalt or a cordless screw gun, screw this into the tree. Now, what happens, the biggest mistake people make, is they take this canopy and they mount it flush up against a tree. That's not the way you want to tree mount anything. Because what happens is this canopy flush mounted against the exterior or cambium growing layer of a tree causes that portion of the tree to die. Insect infestation and death of the outside of a tree is not something we want to promote here at Cast Lighting, or you as a contractor want to be involved in. So it's important that you take and you can elevate this canopy off the exterior of the tree. That's what this offset is all about, as well as this additional machine thread. What you do is, after screwing the hardware into the tree, you can back off this screw, and then we have another piece of hardware that has a lock, basically a lock ring washer on it, and then you simply take and tighten that down. And you do that 3 times throughout the entire canopy mount. You'll notice that each one of these canopy mounts does not have a fixed hole. Each one of these holes has a slot, which allows you the ability, when you're 25 feet in the air, flexibility in setting this. Because most of the times you're hanging on a ladder, you're way up in the air, and you're using one hand to put the screw in and the other hand to hold onto a ladder. So this gives you a lot of flexibility, and when you're done, you simply take and tighten this down, and you do that on all 3 sides of this canopy mount. Very flexible, very easy to use, and extremely strong. Now, when this is mounted up in a tree, it's real important that this slot here is facing down towards the ground, because that's the slot where the fixture, remember the fixture here? With this slot facing down, and this canopy being mounted on the tree, this is what happens. You have the wire from the fixture, and now you have the tree mount. And then simply, as a contractor, you bring this up the ladder, slide it through the slot in the bottom, and then you're done. Your fixture is now hung properly in a tree. It's that simple. What I'd like to get into next is showing how you mount this wire to a tree. And that's pretty simple. What you need to do at that point is you need to get your hands on a vice grip. You need to buy a number 3 stainless steel eye hook. You simply take this, snap it together, you take it, hammer it into the tree, and screw it in so that only the eye of this is showing. Then you simply go out and buy some 8-inch cable ties that you'll notice it says UV resistant. You don't want to put one that is not UV resistant because it'll break down over time. And you simply take the wire that's coming off of your fixture and all you're going to do is you're going to take your cable tie, you're going to wrap it through the eye hook twice, like this. You're going to run your wire through the cable tie so it sits on the outside of the eye hook, not going through the eye hook, but on the outside of it, and then simply pull the cable tie nice and tight. And all you will need is 3 or 4 of these on most installations. One at the base of the fixture, leaving some slack at the fixture, one midway, and one right at the base. It's also important that this piece of wire, as this piece of wire works its way from the tree trunk into the turf area, that you sleeve this piece of wire with a piece of 5/8 polyethylene tubing or some sleeving material to protect this wire from damage from weed whackers or any lawn maintenance equipment. Well, that concludes the introduction to our Cast CC-TL1C tree light. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any further questions, please feel free to log on to our website at www.cast-lighting.com. Thank you.